So welcome back to my channel, Be For Real. I am Britt. So today we are here with another dope vegan recipe. This is the best vegan slow cooker stew that you have ever had. Okay, I'm claiming it. I'm claiming it. So if you are new to the Be For Real family, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We are friendly and non-judgmental over here, so come and join us. And don't forget to turn those notifications on so you do not miss any of my uploads. And if you are not new here, then you already know that we are going to go ahead and jump right into the video. So we are going to get our jackfruit popping. This is our meat substitute for this dish. It's funny because I cook with jackfruit pretty often, but I think this is the first time I'm ever showing a recipe with it. So, welcome. So this is what our jackfruit looks like. We are going to go ahead and I've already drained it and I'm just taking the seeds out. Now, you can leave them in there because they will soften in the stew. However, I don't like a lot of them, so I just pick them out. Now, you can get jackfruit at Trader Joe's. You can get it online at Amazon. I'll leave a link to the Amazon jackfruit that you can purchase. But these cans are available at Trader Joe's for the low. They're not even expensive. So, yeah, here you just see me going ahead and breaking the jackfruit down into more manageable bite-sized pieces. And that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I'm doing here. Pretty simple, straight to the point. So this is the only real step within this recipe. So we are going to get this jackfruit popping. It doesn't have any flavor, so we need to marinate it. So we're going to be marinating this. Now, you can skip this step, but I don't advise it. I don't. Because I can't vouch for the integrity of the end result if you do not marinate this jackfruit. So I highly recommend it. We are using a half cup of liquid aminos, okay? We are also going to throw in 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. I'm getting better at that word, y'all. And let me just freeze this real quick because I have a bone to pick with some of y'all. The Worcestershire sauce that I use is vegan. This is a vegan channel. I'm cooking vegan food. This is a vegan dish. All ingredients are vegan. I understand regular Worcestershire sauce is made with anchovies. However, I go out of my way to ensure that I get a vegan brand. Okay? It will be listed in the description box below. Don't hop in these comments saying Worcestershire sauce ain't vegan. I don't want to hear it. And moving right along, we are also going to add a 1/3 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm adding about a tablespoon of some minced garlic. I am adding some white pepper in here, doing the ancestor shimmy. Now, if you do not have white pepper, you can just go ahead and use regular pepper. I was getting a little fancy. So I'm also adding some basil, some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. Y'all don't understand. I love this stuff. I'm also adding some cayenne just for a little pinch of heat. We also have some parsley here that we're going to add. And I'm also adding about a 1/4 cup of some chopped up mushrooms. I feel like they're going to add a nice earthy flavor that you cannot compromise on. So I do advise adding these as well. I am going to flick my wrist to no avail because I wasn't really incorporating everything as I wanted. So put the lid on, gave it a nice little shake, and boom. It should look like this. I'm just going to cover it, put it in the fridge. I would recommend doing it overnight, but if you're short on time, a half an hour will do. Okay? At least a half hour. So, once you're done marinating your jackfruit, I am going to toast this in a pan. A little bit of olive oil. We are going to place this on medium-high heat, and I'm just going to cook it until all the liquid has evaporated. So about like 5 to 8 minutes, I would say. And that is to just get it a little brown, okay? So here we have some onions, some carrot, we have some celery, and we also have some Yukon potatoes. I'm just going to go ahead and throw all of this right into my crock pot. I have my crock pot on high, which means I'm going to cook this for about 4 hours. If you are cooking this while you're at work, then I would say to put it on low for 8 hours. So you have an option. So I'm doing mine on high for 4 hours. I'm going to toss all our veggies right up in here. Then I'm going to throw in our jackfruit. Boom. And then we are going to hop to the easiest part of the entire video. And that is just throwing all of our ingredients into the pot. So I'm getting another tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, another tablespoon of some Worcestershire sauce, and then the best part, seasonings, okay? So on our seasonings list today, we have some thyme, some rosemary, some smoked paprika, of course, can't forget the smoked pat, and we are going to toss in about 6 cups of veggie broth. We are going to give this a nice stir, flick our wrist all over this, get everything nice and incorporated, and of course you can't forget the salt and pepper. Now, keep in mind, a full list of the ingredients will be in the description box below. I never leave y'all hanging. Everything will be there that you see in this video, so you can go ahead and whip this up for you and the fam. So we are just going to cover this. I'm going to cook mine down for 4 hours. Now, once this is done, we are just going to go ahead and thicken this up at the 4-hour mark. So if you like your soup loose, then, you know, by all means you can skip this step, but I wanted it a little thicker. So I'm just taking a half cup of broth with a 1/4 cup of flour. I'm going to mix this up. It's going to look like some loose mashed potatoes, but don't worry about all that. Don't worry about all that because it's going to do its job, okay? So I'm going to whisk this up, make sure everything is nice and combined. We are going to pour this right into our soup to turn it into more of a stew, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cook this down for another half hour. If you have your crock pot on low, you want to crank it up to high for this last step. You cook it for a half hour. And boom, our finished product. Thank you guys so much as always for watching. I truly appreciate y'all. Y'all know that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Below, comment what you think. If you tried it, let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video.